So a part 2 is being recorded because it was identified that there are some things missing. Okay, so in this reading, we will go ahead and do part 2 for whatever we missed out. What is the backdrop of this? The backdrop of this is that we had done a reading. It is who's going to be your future spouse was the topic. And there was only a choice between two cards. These were the two cards that we had a choice. These were the two cards we had a choice with. We chose the second card, but we had Raga's face in front of us, so we chose that. For ourselves, when we got our face, it went in the white space between the two cards. Not in the two cards, it went just off the table. So we understood that's no read we're supposed to take. Prior to doing this read, actually, we had seen many, many, many videos of a very cute baby. We really find that babies very cute. So we look at that baby's videos whenever they put out 1 2 minute videos. We like watching it. It's good energy. Um, Along with it, we did see a few shots of Raga because that is what, since the elections are coming, we wanted to see what's happening in the public life for India. So we did look at some videos, and in the process, when we closed our eyes, we saw Raga's face flashing in front of us. So we said, okay, we will take it as a message connected with this man and let's see what we get. Okay, so what we got over here were all these things we said before. The countries we got involved were the USA, the UAE, the EU. We got the clones, we got the Naxal Nexus, we got the word insane, we got the word loony, we got we got the word Luna, we got the word SL, we got the word X. Okay, so we got lots of things, but we're going to keep that aside and we're going to go ahead and do other things. We got the word mad, max, right? So we got like SA being South Africa, I have a feeling, but it doesn't matter. Okay, now we will go ahead and do the other words that we got over here, which I think is important to put out, is the word Usma, USMA. She is the girl who helped me buy this flat of mine, the 2 BHK apartment where I stay at. Okay, so that's why we saw her name. We got the name Nisa, Nisa. She is Simal's sister, but she is spelled differently. Simal's name is Simal. She's spelled properly. She's Varsha's friend. And they are sisters, but the younger sister is not spelled okay. So there's a problem. Okay, other than that, we've got the word, I said cinema, Cinema. There's a huge, huge influence of that. Of course, we've got Dawn, and if you want to say Dau, but not spelled properly. So Dau being Dau, Dau being Dau, and Don being Dawn. But I think more than Dawn and Dao, I think the Naxals are something one has to be very careful of, because I think they're urban mouse or Naxals, which is a problem. It needs to be looked into very, very, very carefully. Okay, we also have the word with cloning, we have unisex, so that means the clones are able to be both men and women. If we think about it from a political point of view, it is NDM, it is Indian Online Broadband, IOL, NOC being the server where they have some kind of information. I don't know, they have 2 servers in Bombay, and it creates a lot of mess in people's homes, which is not okay. So we have the NDA. That was something we saw over here. The word NDA. The word Modi, because he is part of NDA, Modi. Namo is what he is called, Namo. Okay, so we have these names also over here. Then we also have the word we also have the word Lakshmi, Lax or Luxmi. Okay, Lakshmi or a Lakshmi, which is Aluxmi. Okay, so we've got the positive also and we've got the negative also. When it comes to the naxals, when it comes to the when it comes to the mouse, and it is missing the T, so I would say the mouse are very much there, except that they are urban mouse hiding as, let's say, legal society in society. But they're doing all the work of creating problems for people, is what I understand. Okay, so we have like the mouse, Maois, mouse, but the T is missing. So this is what they are, mouse, but they are not exactly mouse. So wherever we see names that are not fully there, it means there is a problem with those names. So if we say Elon Musk, ELON MUSC, not K, so there's a problem there. Okay, other than that, we have AUM, which is Om, we have OM, which is Om. We have AUM Om, we have OM Om. We have the word same sex. So somebody amongst these people probably, I don't know what to understand about same sex, but they have the word same sex over there. Of course, there are a lot of lies involved in something. Somebody has been lying big time. And if it has got an infusion of the Maoist, urban Maoists hiding out to be, or their clones who have killed urban society, and these Naxals and Maoists and Maos have been hiding out at civilian homes, then I think we're in a big problem in all the countries mentioned over here. We don't have the word India. We have India spoken differently. IND, it should be an IA, but we have Inda. We have the name Indu, which is my sister's name. INDU. We have the name of my sister called Indu, who went on to become Varsha Shalina. So maybe she is associated with SL, she is associated with NDM, she is associated with MAD, she is associated with MUD. I never realized that we have the name Indu over here. We also have the word Indus, INDUS. But that's where the Sindhis come from. SIND, Sindhu. Yeah, there is one of my chacha's wife's father used to live in a building called Sindhu. Not Sindhu, but just Sindhu. So here we have H missing, SINDU, Sindhu. But Indu is my sister's name, the Chatti name, as I was telling you about, the horoscope name. So I'm surprised that that name is over here. So Uzma, Kabir seemed to know Uzma pretty well. My cousin Akhil is spelled differently, ACIL. Nikhil is spelled differently, NICEL, Nikhil. Otherwise he's spelled as NIKHIL. But here he's spelled as NICEL. That means these people could have knocked off a lot of these people, or they've shifted for these people, which is a problem. I told you we have the name Musa. We have the word Sue, SUE. Na? How do you spell Sue? SUE. Well, we have SOAIL, Soail. Soail spelled differently, or SOEIL, Soail. I think that's an actual name. Some people spell their names that way, SOAIL. Soel, Soel. In the Salman, and yeah, we got the word Salman for Salman and Sallu. That also I found it very, very strange. SALU for Sallu. सलमान खान का एक सल्लू है और सल्लू के and with सल्लू is Salman, SALMON, because there was a time where Salman Khan was called Salman by the press in 2010 sometime. Mr. Sohail Khan is Salman Khan's real brother. But since 2010, every family has been affected somewhere or the other, and the wives seem to want a divorce, and everybody is leaving. That is because there is the infusion of the external party who has cloned himself into the family. किन किन लोगों को बेरहमी से मारा है मिस्टर, whether you know it or you don't know it. If you can understand what is the ideology of Maoists, if you can understand what is the ideology of the Maoist Naxal and the Mao, I have no idea because I don't subscribe to anything. I just believe live a straight life and that's it. Don't do sin and don't lie and don't lie, which is all over here. Sinning also is over here, lies also is over here, lied also is over here. ये already हो गया है. So my religion is actually being honest. तो एनी विच वेज एंड ऑल्सो माई आइडियोलॉजी इज़ जस्ट कीप इट स्ट्रेट, ताकि यहाँ से निकलूँ, लोका सही मिले, ओके मिले, और ऐसे जो घटिया जन्म होता है उसमें हमको फंसना नहीं पड़ना है. एक्चुअली माई आइडियोलॉजी इज़ ओनली दैट मच, हमको उससे ज़्यादा आता नहीं है. वी प्रिटी डम. But what I find strange over here is, if you think about the ideology of Maoist militants, Naxalites, Nexus जो यहाँ पे है, इनका जो आइडियोलॉजी है क्या? What is it that they want? What is their ideology of the Maoist militants, Naxal Nexus? What is it that they want? What is it that they fight for? I don't understand. I've never read up on them, so I genuinely don't know who they are or what they, what is it that they follow, what kind of an ideology they follow. But if you have to think about them cloning people and entering into civil society, what is it that you think could happen within a household at a household level? Well, they've got help from the cinema line simply because that's where the prosthetics are generated. That's where the hairdos are done. There where the hairstyling, beauty treatment, nose correction, face correction, detanning, tanning, all that happens only with the cinema line. Prosthetics also, like how Pa movie was done with Abhishek Bachchan and Amitabh Bachchan. Father becomes the son, son becomes the father. और प्रोस्थेटिक्स होता है, वो पूरा चीज़ किया हुआ है एक पूरे मूवी के अंदर, पर वही प्रोस्थेटिक्स को यूज़ करे, अ वर्स्टल फेस चेंज एक्चुअली करे दी ओबामा बिन लादेन स्टाइल, और घर में घुसे एक घर के अंदर, हाउ मच कैन अपसाइड डाउन हैपन ऑन द बैक ऑफ इट. To tell you quite frankly, we have like the BJP mentioned over here, but SL is more prone, along with Sue, along with MAD, along with Indu. No, we don't have Rahul Gandhi's name over here, which means for whatever reason, there's probably a shapeshifter in his place, and this one shapeshifter has one foot in both Congress as well as the BJP. But they are Naxalites, they are Maoists, and they are militants who have been cloning themselves, shape-shifting into both parties. And you're not able to catch them because they're in both places. Do we have sauce? SAUCE? I don't know. These are like keywords that could give you hints about what's been happening in the background. Okay, so we have the word sauce. We have the word mix and max. We have the word mexi. We have the word Lucia. We have the word Eula but not Eulia, who's connected with Mr. Salman Khan, who's mentioned as Sallu over here. One thing about Mr. Salman Khan's father, I mentioned it before also, which was not in good taste. Not because all our parents have done that for us. I myself have done for my niece, whether she's my real niece or not, doesn't matter. Whether it is piggyback rides, whether it is something where you swing the child on your feet, the Sindhis call it Tanga Toli, or you do, Ghoda Ghadi ride, even my dad has done for me. But there is an age where it is cut off. My dad would have done this when he would have been below 40 years of age. I would have done so before I was 40 years age. What was not appreciated about that video was the man is very old. He is the father of Mr. Salman Khan. At the end of it, hanging shoes was in very, very poor taste. So please understand what is the ideology of the Maoist militants. Mao's and Naxal. How do they function? What is their ideology? What do they want? They are the ones who have cloned and come into civil society. They don't have a religion, my dear. It doesn't matter. They'll confuse you on the grounds of religion, poverty, lacking poverty, anything. पर उनका एक ही चीज़ होता है, उनका एक अलग एजेंडा होता है. उनका ट्रेनिंग झारखंड फारखंड में होता है. Their training happens in places like Jharkhand and all, in the jungles. So, let's just go back to my house. शिरडी साई बाबा का नाम है साई, ओम. So, in short over here, I can say Shirdi Sai Baba has overlooked this. This is not my reading. I know you don't like what I do, but you must understand that I'm not even going to be casting a vote. I have never casted votes. I have one ideology. It is keeping it straight. It is keeping it honest. I really am more connected at the spirit level than I am in this one small journey. I consider it 5 minutes, 100 years of life. Because the Atma is eternal, I'm more concerned with the eternal life, not really with just the body. So I really don't have any agenda. And I'm not here to influence anybody. When I do these readings, frankly telling you, I don't do it for you. I do it as my Shirdi Sai Baba's communication with me and what guidance he wants to give me. I put it out with the viewpoint that, okay, if it helps anybody, in case it is anybody's good luck, and they are meant to be brought to watch it, they will watch it. If they are not, I'm not really putting myself out over there. But we have so many people grappling in the dark, including myself. And many people are very honest. But the truth of the matter is they don't know where to look. So how do you communicate with them? Today I don't know who to trust. Not because I lack trust. I have grown up on blind trust. So my way of communicating with my guru I put out over here. Okay? So it is not to influence anybody. You are free to take it, dump it, lack it, dump it. And I am not doing this in the name of Sai. If you notice, what is this reading? I have not seen this in the previous read. Who is your future spouse? All about them and the soul. But the problem here is for us, we got nothing. We got it for Raga. And that version of Raga, the few short clips that we have seen, and we will show you his face. We will show you which all videos we have seen of him. We have not seen MDM, we have not seen Namo, we have not seen NDA and all. We haven't really seen that. You will see it in the history. The history is just as it is. Since I'm not a politician, it is politicians who are involved in all this, not me. I'm involved with Sai. So we're not doing this in the name of Shirdi Sai Baba, that, oh, trying to influence you in the name of Shirdi Sai Baba. No. We're doing this because there's a genuine communication that has been, and a relationship that's been built with Shirdi Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba over a period of time without me even knowing it. And it has manifested in my life. I haven't gone chasing it. In fact, if you tell me, Sai se jhud ke raho, I say, no, I've been trained to be a married woman, run a good house, run it the Sindhi way, run it our way, the way my upbringing is. I don't want to be no sannyasi, vanyasi. Humko nahi banna hai. I've told my mother also this when I was very small. Or when I was about 16, 18, when she said, your horoscope says this. I say, no, I am not interested. Please keep it somewhere else. I am not interested in all this. So I don't have any bloody agenda. It's just that my life works out for itself the way it's supposed to work out. And the word Sai is for you to see. I haven't brought it up over here. So please think, what do Naxalites want? If they're able to clone themselves and they're hiding in the cinema line, and they have access to a lot of equipment from there, where they're able to shapeshift and clone themselves into homes, and some of them even going for actual face reconstruction surgeries. Like the way you had so many duplicates of Bin Laden before he was shot down in which year? What if these Naxals got into some UAE kingdom or Middle Eastern kingdom as early as the 1990s? And from there came the problem in the Dubai kingdom with the princesses. One son, one prince also who passed away, and confusion within the kingdom. Access to very good research, pretending to be, but stealing the wealth also, using it to recruit more people, spreading their agenda. It costs a lot of money, no? For face reconstruction surgery. How many people are looking desperately for a job in the cinema line who do anything for somebody else's life? It's like what Shalina had once told me. My sister Varsha, Indu, whoever it is, used to tell my dad, Jaya doesn't like Fo Jaswal, she wants to move to Cuff Parade, make her tires. Let her. But I love Fo Jaswal, and it's okay. You give Jaya Suman Towers and Tulsiani Chambers, 509 Tulsiani Chambers and 1401 Suman Towers, or 1301 Suman Towers. Well, 1301 Sumantas you exchanged for 1401 Sumantas because you had some filthy agenda on your backside. The previous two homes that were bought in the same society were bought from Sindhis. We never fucking had a problem ever. The first flat in that fucking society was bought from the builder directly. The same time that the flat was bought in that fucking society, a 1 BHK apartment, the same time my father's family friends bought 2 more apartments in their children's name, sold each flat when those kids got married. It is with the same viewpoint that my father bought the flat in our name or in his name. It doesn't matter whose name he bought it. That same flat was then sold and a 1301 Suman Towers flat was bought. So we moved to a 2 BHK and moved to a higher floor because my father had to disappoint me and he was not willing to move to Maker Towers, where you have a good ocean view, and a 4 BHK apartment comes down to a 2 BHK apartment. And so his kind sister said, okay, they want a high floor, they want to see scenery. So when it comes to the apartment, how much is the difference between the apartment on the 3rd floor, 2nd floor, and that on the 13th floor? There also we sold the apartment, bought the tower 2 BHK flat and bought it from Sindhis. We never had any bloody fucking problem. The problem started when we have been asked by Mr. Nahata to move from 1301 to do him a favor and move to 1401. Exchanging 1301 Sumantas for 1401 Sumantas in 1998. All the fucking problems have started from that time onwards. Are you saying you are Maoist Naxals connected with the cinema line that entered number 4 Jaswal, fucking around with everything you could lay your fucking hands on? Because I say there is something that went very wrong at 4 Jaswal and ancillary families during the 90s. And I don't think we have ever looked back after that. What kind of infiltration happened in our setup? And where did that fucking infiltration come from? If this doesn't require bloody... And I'm telling you, these people are running the government. Huh? You people, whether you're a hawker or whether you are whatever, and they're in both parties. Okay, you must understand the word clones. CLONES. एक क्लोन नहीं है, बहुत सारे मल्टीपल प्लूरल क्लोन्स है. जैसे औरत और औरतें, आदमी और पता नहीं क्या. और ये लोग आदमी बनता है और औरत भी बनता है, दोनों चीज बनता है, यूनिसेक्स. मेन चीज है जो लोग 5'7" के हाइट है ना, 5'7", 5'8", 5'6", 5'7", 5'8", they would be the greatest level of shapeshifters. 5'7" being the height. You will say कि औरत जो है 5'6", 5'7" हो सकती है, आदमी 5'6", 5'7" हो सकता है. 5'7" के हाइट में हर कोई है. Most of our actors in cinema line are 5'7". Most of our politicians who are heading political front line are all 5'7". You go to your history check. Also what I want to say, एक लैरी है और एक ब्रिन है, गूगल के दो आदमी. Both of them have destiny number 4. People with destiny number 4, I think you have to be a little careful of them. You have fitted something into the right side of my body without my permission, my ears, my brains, sometime connected with this Naxal movement. Mao shit. And you have done this after I have come back from my marriage, or when I have gone to Bombay Hospital to take out a chocolate cyst. I was, after the surgery, to got over within 40 minutes. But I was not moved to my room for at least 3 hours. These Naxalites, Maoists in those days would have been what? People like us? Or they would have been working at the base level, ground level. What staff would it be? Google DeepMind, the MOU done with the EU on my back was done by whom, between whom and whom? Who gave you the rights to my body? Or than anyone in my family for that matter? CIA. You are mentioned over here, CIA, with a CID. You are people who are supposed to track the Maoist militants and get rid of them, right? And Naxals. Hey सुन, हम कोई Naxal पैक्सल कोई नहीं है. Don't put the wrong bloody fucking shit on me. I am Miss Jaya Kanyalal Hukumatrai Advani. You bloody fucking well know that. And don't fuck around with my identity. It's very irritating. You don't do your job, don't put it fucking on me. I'm just a civilian. Come on, man. Bye, out of focus. Put the focus. We've been at the fucking receiving end of all your shit for what? When it comes to your fucking coveted positions, we enjoy nothing. We don't even fucking ask you for favors. When it comes to all the bullshit, why you come and dump it on me? चूतिया, यहाँ पे तेरी मालकिन है, मादरचोद, नाम है जया. You son of a bitch. पता है मादर चुतिया क्या बोलता है? Bastard says something about, takes the name and says Man Nokar. ऐसे चुतिया बोलता है. Why should anyone tolerate the shit that comes from you? You bloody hiding garbage. This is where the asshole sits and puts these kind of things in my body and talks. पता नहीं क्या बात करता रहता है. इसने ये टाइम पे यहाँ पे भी किया है सुअर ने. पांचतिया है. Look at this. Look at this. I am telling you one thing. What I have got is pittance, but it is enough to burn you for the next 426,900 years only on karmic earnings. I have Shirdi Sai Baba who's on my side. He is Dattatreya. He is the guru of the Trinity. तुमने इतना घटिया गेम हमारे साथ खेला है तो कहीं का नहीं रहेगा. That's my oath to you. तो जो कोई भी होवे. You be fucking whoever you are anywhere in the world. I don't care. You're bloody garbage shit. What are you trying to achieve with this? Garbage from the garbage can. What are you planning to achieve with this shit? For 2 years, ever since I have sold number 4 Jaswell, you've been fucking around. Those I'll say, this is not fucking going on my hands. Now what do you want to say? I have not put anything on my hands. No cream. It is what it is. This is supposed to be the hand of whoever it is from the parental home. They're sitting and fucking around with lines. They're fucking around with, I don't know what you want to fuck around with my biometrics? Tumko karna kya hai? What you want to do? You do this, I will screw your happiness at every step. Your births in the future, you will never come out of the sewer lines. Just remember that. And you will not be able to move even 1 millimeter of whatever your birth is for the next 426,900 years. That's my oath to you. It's a hellhole earned by you. This Rasatal has stopped. पहले शिरडी साई बाबा नरका बोला, फिर पाताल बोला तुम जैसे लोगों के बारे, और रसतल पे उसने बोला. Finally, after he gave the Rasatal, उसके बाद he said don't ask questions further. He closed it off. So this is why I haven't done my own throw. He's not allowing me to do a throw. So find out when I've done my own throw last. If at all I've done something, I did it because I found it very strange कि किसी और का throw के अंदर ऐसे मिला है when Raga's face has popped up. And because I am concerned about how things are going, because it is a large population that's getting affected and they don't know how they're getting fooled. So I have no choice but to interpret my understanding of somebody else's read and put it out very clearly that this is what happened as the backdrop of it when I got these kind of things. Now I most certainly didn't say, Sai Baba, tell me this, tell me that. No, all I want to know is, okay, I've been divorced after a 5-month marriage. In case there is a chance at 51, 52, 53 that we meet an elderly person. Hello, auntie. I don't like boobs hanging off my chest. I don't belong to the fucking silicone cinema line. I don't like that line. I don't think I'd be looking for that kind of a crowd. I don't think I'd be interested in clones. I don't think I'd be interested in people who don't really have a headspace and their penis does their work for them, or then they use their penis to get in and out of homes. That's what you have done. You have blackmailed so many people. Whether it is the same sex, and then getting people either to meet you in isolated places and knocking them off and duplicating them after you planned your stuff for the longest time, or it is blackmailing them and making them do wrong things till the time you knock them off. So I most certainly, when I say I am 51, 52, 53, I can get married at 99 fully wrinkled. That's none of your fucking business. You don't benchmark your ugly face with an ugly fucking soul sent to a bloody doctor's office to reconstruct it, and you think you are it filled with silicone. I couldn't give a rat's ass. I don't want to fucking know you. Or shit like you. Crap from the bloody dumpster. So anyway, going back to why I did this read because I said, well, I don't know, even I know people who've gotten married at 60 also, 70 also, doesn't matter. So in my case, okay, let's just find out, is there anything? So this is why I did this read, not even with the thought that it's going to go anywhere. But when I got this read, the manner in which I got it, it caught my attention, and I said, well, this is not expected, it was most unexpected. I think it is necessary to put this out. And to tell you quite frankly, till now, I have watched this. From the last time I did the recording, I have watched this, but I did not get Shirdi Sai Baba's name at all. The first time I got Shirdi Sai Baba's name is when I looked at it while on screen. While doing this recording is the first time I saw his name. I swear on God. I don't think I would like to lie because I spend most of my time in this room. I consider Lakshmi Mata as my mother. I consider Vishnu as my father. The head of the family being Shirdi Sai Baba, at least in my case. We've never had a decorative temple, that's Krishna. We've never had a decorative temple. I've kept it very simple, and most of the focus, frankly telling you, has always been on my God, not on decoration. But for whatever reason, okay, in this house, we did a little decoration. This is actually too decorative. The truth of the matter is, generally, I do my prayers in one small little silver thali, in which all the silver gods, which my dadi used to do prayers to, then my mom has done little prayers, then I did for a very long time. But that was stolen from my house, along with a lot of silver ware of mine. After breaking my locker and stealing my shares, transferring it out of my name without my permission, it was done by the clones only. A father who has earned big money had big dreams for me, which you stamped down on. And every time you have spoken to me on the phone, you have always reminded me of my father's dreams. But at the same time, you always kept me on the back foot. Who you are, what you are, where you come from is very evident. But I always believe in one thing, कि जो कुछ भी होता है ना, अच्छे के लिए ही होता है. Whatever happens for the best. Maybe this time the quality of Atmas over here weren't very good. And since it's a very long time journey that we have to think about, better to be isolated, better to be not in a relationship if it's going to have very long-term repercussions on us. So whatever happens in my life, I say, whether whatever understanding there is of other people, जो कुछ भी understanding जो कर रहा है, जिस तरीके से कर रहा है, उसका understanding कुछ भी होवे, लेकिन अगर हमारा जो भगवान है, if my God is with me, like Shirdi Sai Baba, for sure it will be for the bestest. No matter how bad it looks in the worldly sense. I don't care. For me, this one birth is really just 5 minutes worth. और जिनको फंसाना है, वो भी हम नहीं करते हैं. Not like you by free will. Not ever. लेकिन जिनको वो जो हमारे ऊपर एक साया बन के शिरडी साई बाबा हमको प्रोटेक्ट करता है, तो जिनको उनको फंसाना है वो करेगा. वो उसका तरीका अलग है ना. His ways are different. तो why I should get involved and why I should feel bad? Let it be. You get happy at keeping me at a back foot in my life, right? You feel happy how you have fooled around with my life. Okay, no problem. But I am giving you with full guarantee, whatever you have done, and that also you have done on purpose from the backdrop, lying, stealing, shape-shifting, lying about me. You have called me lots of names. Yet my father has told me, Jaya, do you know you are aristocrats, blue blood. And he has done so when I was about 4 years old, 5 years old, 7 years old, 10 years old, 12 years old. But that aristocrat, he used to have label on his whiskey bottle, which he used to drink every night. Not the full bottle, 2 pegs every night. So for us, the word aristocrat actually meant something connected with the whiskey, which he used to drink 2 pegs every night after his going to his work or whatever. So we never even understood what he has said. because you have called words like knocker walker. बोलना पड़ता है कि तूने जो हमारे लाइफ के साथ किया है, लेकिन जो मेरा बाप मेरे को बोला है, that also at a time when I was very young, where even understanding of what he is saying is not there. It is very evident that you have lied about me. You are cheap rubbish in society. You are clones. You are garbage who have entered from the back door my home and given me only a bad name. After all, for you to be so desperate, you have to have been born from a bad loka to get the kind of births you got. Otherwise, why will you come to do what you have done? And if I was from a bad birth, then why would you chase my tail the way you have chased it? Why would anybody in EU, USA, UAE be interested? You tell me, why would anybody be interested if I was like you, of a poor bloodline? Why would places like the EU, UAE, USA be interested in trying to insult me at every step? Maybe those countries are not involved. Maybe it is some Masi who's involved, because we have the word called Masi, mother, sister. But why would you have such a problem with me? I'm your enemy? We got the word enemy. The word Masi also is over there. The word Masi also is there, and the word enemy is also there. ENAMI, enemy. So what you have done with my life, if you just extrapolate it to an entire nation or a group of nations, you will do the same thing with them. My reason of bringing myself over here is not because I am selfish, because I am a case study of how these people function. I can give you their process, their next move, just observing how they have functioned at a very nascent stage, where they were practicing maybe the pilot study they were doing, the pilot stuff that they were doing, but they have taken it to nations as of now. And they are not good people, they are dangerous. From the house from where they steal are the people who they will bring to the sewers, not even to the streets. That is the only reason why you are being told. Also, another observation of mine that I wanted to say. Naxal Maoist, my home on the 18th floor of Purva Palm Beach. If I can just show it to you so you understand where we're at. Okay, if you can understand, we're 18 floors up. I have to show this. There's a reason for showing you this. I own my home, you bloody bitch. Don't say man, no, keep, all that shit. Don't talk that kind of crap. Because on a digital network, SL feels or Raga feels, I can make Modi say anything. You are doing the same thing from under my fingers and changing my identity. If I can ask you, what is all this all about? This is your way of forcing your way, stealing Naxals and Maoists. This is your way of stealing people's assets and biometrics. Then what is our intelligence doing is what I want to ask you. What is our army doing? What's our military doing? What are you doing? I have lived in this country all my life, and I am Mr. Kani Advani's daughter. Kanayalal Hakumatra Advani's daughter. You want to tell me how you are going to deal with this when it comes to biometrics? CIA and CID. You've been mentioned in somebody else's throw, along with the Naxals, Maoists and militants and Maos. How are you going to deal with this when it comes to my biometrics? What do you get your salaries for is my question to you. Listen, garbage from the garbage can. Don't sit and take other people's titles when you are not deserving of it. And don't steal things that don't belong to you. Understood? Rubbish class. So you'll understand we're at a height. Not a very pretty sight, it's very dirty. But you will understand that we're at a huge height. That's 18 floors down. Okay, construction happening probably in an area far away. Sending the smell of bhelpuri from outside. That's what the bastard's doing. And what he's done is, when I had bought this house, connected with Uzma, who for some of these workers who were still constructing or then cleaning the society, she talks some shit about ab yehi hamare liye kaam karenge. Uzma, we are your clients. We spend 96 lakhs to live in places like this, and it's our father's hard-earned money. It is not your grandpop's money, and it's not Kabir Gupta's money, and it's most certainly not the money of clones and shapeshifters connected with Naxal Maoist movement. You have fitted lots of things over here. Also, you have put lots of smells. You have also put lots of smells on the construction site over here. This bhelpuri smell you send into my house from where? You bloody, I don't know. Where does this crap come from? With this kind of smell that you send into our home, you change our identity. How dare you do that? How fucking dare do you do that? Okay, so he has put the smell of bhel outside. When we close this, when we open, this is the reason why I'm not able to open my windows. Actually, it's a very beautiful view outside. The guy who did this, I don't know if the screen has something on it, which becomes a monogram, hologram, taking it somewhere else. So all he's done is fit mix into it, connected with the fucking cinema. Come on, no time for bullshit. Come on, no time for bullshit. Okay, so actually it's a very pretty view out. I would love to have it open at times, but we keep it closed and we cannot open this for the smells that are fitted and which come in, which are quite unsavory. They're not okay for my home. Okay, so this is the reason why I have shown you. Oh, that's where we do the read. Okay, just to know that we're still doing the same read and we're in the same house. What we'll do is we'll just take it this way. That's where I do the read. That's the temple I showed you earlier. We have lots of Shirdi Sai Baba. He is very important for my existence, to tell you very frankly. That's my younger sister in that photo. If I can show you, she's known as Indu. She's Indu. Yes, she is Varsha, or she is Shalina. This is Shalina Undalani, Varsha. This is a Bal Vikas class that's going on. During the same event, that is the same place where that photo was taken, I was in a play in which I played the role of Krishna. Okay? So I got to dress up as Krishna. She had to wear the ghagra choli. But the location was the same. Okay, and I think someone's morphed this photo. If you notice, one eye is big, one eye is small. I'm not sure which eye is my original eye. I believe this should be my original eye. This one. Unless they morphed both photos. But they've done lots of morphing. Okay, but this dress, if you look at, is what I was wearing. And I was dressed by my mom and all her friends. All the aunties who were part of the bhajans. Okay. And this was at JJ School of Arts because the principal's wife was part of the Bal Vikas setup. So all us kids basically did play a play. If you notice over here, there are other children who are dressed up, right? Like everyone's playing some part, and that's the Aarti of Satya Sai Baba that's being taken. Okay, and this is in JJ School of Arts. They had a huge, like, I don't know, huge place and lots of greenery out. Okay. Okay, just to give you the idea of the rest of my home. I used to do readings in this room first, right, on that bed. But I stopped because of some energetic problem. Some of the spirits that were coming in scared me. So I stopped doing the read over there. And because my prime temple is over here only, not to. I decided not to do the read. I used to get very disturbed in my living room, so I could never do the read in the living room, even though it's a much nicer view and a much nicer backdrop and a much nicer way. If I did it, look a lot nicer if I did it with that backdrop. But somehow I get very disturbed over here, so I'm not able to do this. That's the outside balcony. There's a small temple on the insistence of Shirdi Sai Baba that I have kept. Okay. The CCTV camera connected with that. This thing keeps going off. 1 minute. When we come here, the edit says serve, and I find it really stupid. Find it really dumb. I'm just thinking, why are people so desperate in this cheap manner? That's the main door. Out is the common area, as in the 4 flats outside. So this is the main door. Okay, I generally lock it this way with this kind of a lock. The reason I lock it this way with this kind of a lock, and my kitchen is locked in this way with these kind of chains, is not because I am paranoid. It's not because I am paranoid. Okay, it's not because I am paranoid. This is locked this way simply because on the 18th floor, I had 6 break-ins into this house on the 18th floor. And when I spoke to somebody, this can't even lock. So it locks differently. They broke this. Okay, so it has to be closed differently. This is just one example. There's the same problem with this thing when it comes to. This was the first thing that was that was broken. This lock was the first thing that was broken. This. And so I had to get this grill done on the inside just to keep it safe. If you want to know what else was broken, frankly, in my bathroom, inside this bathroom, someone tried breaking, I'll show to you 1 minute. Even in this bathroom, someone has broken this on purpose and gained entry into this house from here also. This was not done by me. It was done by somebody else. I don't know what this is, what's hanging around over there. Not sure what that is. But anyway, it's not very nice. So the thing is, but if you talk to anybody, like let's say we had someone who had come. I had somebody who had come here to do, he's a local person. He says he's been staying here for the last like 30 years, 40 years. He stays on the ground floor. He's got his own, house on the ground floor. And he says, but he has never ever faced such a problem. And so he was surprised. He said, but this is the 18th floor. How such a thing has happened? He's the man who made some grills so that there's little safety in this house. So even what grills you saw in the bathroom, right? That was done by him. This is where I was doing all the throws on that bed. This was not a laundry room. It's become a laundry room for the time being. But this is where the spirit first showed themselves and I got scared. This is the place where I told you there was a very black spirit that somersaulted from outside and somersaulted on the inside while I was sitting on the bed or doing the read in the small room, which is now the laundry room. And I told you it somersaulted out, and I was wondering. I thought it was like a shadow, but there was nothing for a shadow simply because these curtains are mostly closed. So how does anyone do that, right? Then I had the dream where this very dark spirit is sitting behind me, and I had a near-death experience in it. I was choking, and that time I was sleeping in my bedroom. After that, I started sleeping with one light on, even in the night. After that, I had on this door, that face of someone screaming and their skull has been cut and that mouth is showing itself, which was very scary. At the same time, I saw my sister like on a Shenai in the temple, in the garland, manifesting itself. So there were lots of little indications. But I didn't know where this is coming from, to tell you quite frankly, because I don't know. Whatever's happened has happened behind my back. But it is connected. It is connected, according to me, in the confusion connected with politics in some way. Directly connected with shapeshifters shapeshifting for the politicians. Some connection back to my family, but connected back to some shapeshifters who are connected with things like Maoist, Naxal movements. But the point is, there should be nobody in my family who's connected with any of it, because most people in my family were actually Congress people who do not have Hindu Congress people. Most of their career they spent over there only. And if you ask me about the affiliations, it was always pro-Congress. The reason Congress has not been called out properly over here is because there's a problem amongst them, I think. CONGES. Ideally, it should be called CONGREES, but here we've got CONES, not G, sorry. So we can leave it. There's no Congress. There's no Congress. There's no G. So let it be. But conning is there. Maybe we went over there because we were thinking about like the Congress, but no, that's not the topic. We've got conning with lies instead, which we did not mention before. So we've been taken over there to identify the word CON with LIE, LIES and LIED. It's not about the Congress. My understanding is what the Maoist militants, Naxals have done is, in the earlier years, it is possible when the labor class was going to places like Dubai and to the UAE, Saudi, Riyadh, God knows where they go, Kuwait, all these places. So they used to send lots of people from here. They are easily recruitable, I feel, into these kind of camps. Some of them could have been hard-handed, trained Naxals who went as the labor class. For them to climb even 60 stories building is not a big deal. For them to break locks, break this, break that is not a big deal. For them to off people is not a big deal, is what I've understood. I'm on the 18th floor, but I've shown you. And I haven't shown you all the things that were broken in my home. If I tell you about my main door, in my main door, the bloody useless crap has gone and put some mick. Every time we are opening and closing doors, that bloody useless thing in my main door sits and talks, and it's insulting me most times. I am not your mate. When I use the word coming and going, I am not your mate. You have done a lot of shit, and always around your bloody cheap election, whether it's a state election or it's a national election. I also want to put on record over here where your bloody, 1 minute, let me put how crack you are. Are we done with this read? I don't know if I've said everything I want to say, but it is for your own good. Actually, we've got the president's rule is very required to find out who these shapeshifters are in both parties or even ancillary parties. Otherwise, you people will end up in the sewers. These guys will run with your money, and if they start the mind control, you are so done for. Even if you are that hawker on the street who has 10 lakhs business, you've been lucky enough to get cheap variable expenses and a good high fixed income or a good high variable income with less cost and high returns. तुमको डिजिटल नेटवर्क पे डाल के ये जोक नहीं है. It's not a joke. You must understand, इनका religion नहीं होता है, बस पैसों का greed and lots of hate in the heart. Their training is very, very, our commandos on the legal side of India's defense is to combat these kind of people. But these people have no rules, regulations looking after them. And frankly, I have a feeling most of the problem has come from here only. So you better be very careful. And they are hiding in civil society, cloning themselves, shape-shifting from, I think, as early as 1990s. But now things have gone completely out of hand for the last, I think, since 2002 or 2004. Worldwide, not just India. EN is for English land. No UK, PUK. Direct EN. SA, South Africa, South America. We have the word CM also over here. I don't know how to understand that. We had Cyrus Mistry dying in an accident, Pune-Bombay highway, with one friend of his. They were all Parsis, I think, out of which 2 people passed away and 2 people survived with very bad injuries. One was a doctor gynac. She was promoting having more children, I think is what I read. The Elon Musk way. For their Parsi community, which is okay. It is a dwindling thing. Or are we talking about a chief minister? If I can just show you the history of what I was seeing when I picked up the card. I love this baby, he's so cute, right? So I do few pick a card readings and I was just seeing like, this baby's videos. So most of it was the baby's videos. Okay, abroad. Don't know why I saw this one. I must have clicked on it and then clicked out almost immediately. Just general stuff. But closer to the time, I told you I saw a couple of Rahul Gandhi videos. So I think this was one of them. This was one of them for sure. Elon Musk's name was there in the throw. But I didn't see his face flashing in front of me. I saw Rahul Gandhi's face flashing in front of me in spite of seeing so much. This version maybe, or some other version, I don't know. But one version of him. This one. This one. This one. Now this is the original Rahul Gandhi if you see his face. Look at him, what a decent man he is. Now this is him in more recent times. He says his dog has a problem, a gastric problem, and is very sick. But what I want to say over here is there's somebody who has latched on to my phone, this phone with which I am recording. and my phone, every action of it is taken to somebody's laptop somewhere. The last 3 months I was throwing up blood a lot, and yes, I had a gastric problem. Somewhere on YouTube it was flashing that 10 CEOs who don't like me poisoned my food. Any small thing I eat, if you don't believe me, I think we can show you with proof. Do you see these 3 tissues? Not tissues, they're napkins. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 napkins. Now, why are these 3 napkins? Why are those 3 napkins? Why are you playing sounds from my body? You like stealing from the house you work at? It's not okay. Not okay. It's not okay. I'm the owner. Don't ever forget it. And I pay your salary. Don't care whether you're a bloody militant, Naxal, Paxal shit. Not for my house. No mouse chow shit. This is India, not China. Okay, so what is the whole point of showing you this? There's a reason for showing you this. There are only 3 pieces over here because I have coughed up whatever I have coughed up only yesterday. Prior to this, I didn't need to. This is another hanging off which has been washed and is dried for now. These are also not many, but this washing was done not like it's supposed to happen every alternate day. This was done 4 days afterwards. So this also wouldn't be more than few napkins each time. Okay? What I'm just trying to tell you is what changed. What changed when I started coughing again and again had a very tough time. Last night I had a very tough time. I ate old food. How old was that food? That food was old only about 1 week ago. But it was called on Swiggy or Zomato. Swiggy. Delivered by Zomato. But it was called on my own old phone. After that, what I have done is, I have actually, let's take that out from his face and let's put it to God. I prefer this temple. I have actually erased all the stuff on my phone and taken it back to a factory setting. When I took it to a factory setting, I ordered food 2 or 3 times and I didn't have any problems that I had last night. This is how I know that they have downloaded some software on my phone and they did it through Swiggy or then through Bezos' company. And the codes that they send us on our phone, where they latch on to our phone in some way or the other. Then the order that we are ordering goes to somebody else's place. There they screw around with the packaging, open the stuff and add, I don't know how they managed to do it. But the only difference between the food I ate last night, which made me feel really sick, and whatever I have been eating I've ordered 2 or 3 times via the same app, but I was very light and I was enjoying my food, is after we have cleared out this phone to factory setting. What happened when we have cleared out the phone on factory setting? We had no problem for the first 2 days. Yet we could not sign in to the Swiggy app because what it was saying is, Swiggy is not able to recognize your phone. So please click on this link and then you can get the code and sign into Swiggy, which is what we did. And from there on, for the next 3 days, there was lots of crackers being burst. About 10 minutes away from here, but it sounds like as if they are bursting in my house. Leave this bloody window open, which I was showing you. Leave this window open. You'll have all grilling sounds coming from here. You'll have lots of grilling sounds coming from here. And from there. This is what these Naxals probably do because they did this in my father's bedroom at Jaswell. Is that a camera that switched itself off? So they've placed a camera over there. So you know what they do when they harass people? They put cameras like this. And this they've done when I was staying at Holiday Inn Racecourse, where they called me a housekeeper when I checked in. They called me lots of names when I used to, extend my stay and pay them money for an extended stay, because I was not there for a joyride. I was there for some legal work. So that has cameras is what I understand. So whenever they are insulting us in the room, this is my bedroom. Whenever they are insulting us, they're viewing us from there. My reading has said it is connected with the AC area over there, that they have fitted something in the AC point behind the curtain and the curtain rod. That's where the problem comes from. When it comes to, like, I had my banker come to the home. All the while he was busy signing forms, there was lift shaft sounds being played at my home, with lots of useless talk happening, changing identity and ownership of this house and my bank account. We asked him to send a list of things through his official mail. He's come here 3 days ago. His superiors are involved also, but he hasn't sent the list yet. Can we understand that Indian digital system is lying about its clients? I don't serve and my dates don't serve. I belong to a very small business family. That's about it. I don't have much money compared to your banking system, but still there's a big problem. I can't understand it. Has it got to do with the Naxal movement connected with Digital India? Because whoever brought in the digital system is here to steal. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Connected with this thing, I want to know when this video was taken out. Because my problems have started last 4 months. 4 or 5 months. And the final thing was we have coughed up blood 3 times. Which is not normal for me to do. And not coughed up, I have vomited blood. Actual proper blood. In the bathroom. Okay, so over here he's like just with his pet. This kind of body language actually reminds me of Cyrus Mistry more than anything else. Where he's getting irritated, he's saying, I'm going in for a fighting with his uncle because they had a court case. So it kind of reminds me of that kind of body language. Sick with severe gastric infection, very upset, wants support to get him well soon. Now that kind of sign off, to tell you quite frankly, is what Salman Khan does. That's the history. I was just trying to explain to you the history of whatever I have done. Okay? All I've tried to do is explain to you the history of how this read actually came about. In this read, these words, to my life, what it has, some kind of indication. Okay? All I'm trying to do is just show you that. Also on a larger scale, when it comes to these countries that are mentioned over here, when it comes to the CID, when it comes to the CIA, for the CIA, CID to be involved and either requires an involvement of them to sort this out. Otherwise, you'll be in a position where, you know how Pakistan's military, Pakistan's police, you know what happened with Pakistan? You know the history from the 70s? Everything will get stranded. It is the work of the clones. It's got nothing to do with religion. It's got nothing really to do with the terrorists per se. It's got to do entirely with poverty, those who were at the base level, street level, hired by God only knows who. But Don's name is here. He is the underworld. The name Ali also is over here. I don't know who Ali is. Usal is usal pav. Usal and musal. That's Marathi. USAL and MISAL. Usal misal is from Maharashtra. It's calling out all the people. One version of Selina, Selina, but not Shalina, not Varsha. Most certainly not Indu from Indus. Sindhi food is very different from Marathi food. Even I don't like usal misal. It's not my kind of thing. It's usal pav and misal pav. But it is usal pav and misal pav. We like the vada pav, but we don't like usal and misal. It's too spicy. Shirdi Sai Baba's Sansthan is in Maharashtra, but I don't think people who go to Shirdi Sai Baba really go there for usal and misal. One version of Selina, Selina, used to like hanging around eating usal misal at Lokhandwala, and I used to wonder. She used to eat dabeli, not usal misal. She used to like dabeli. So how? But usal misal has a reasoning over here. Why it has a reasoning, I don't know. No, you cannot say idli. There's no idli over here. IDL is not enough. ID is there. Identity. The maze is here, MASE, to create a maze. So you'll be chasing everything, but actually it is the work of the clones through these groups, whatever's mentioned over here, trying to push, I think, the communist agenda. COMUNIS. Communism or communist agenda. So what they do is to do this, they enter homes and then screw up the entire setup. Now, who are the people who have spoken about religion really not being the cause of difference? The cause of difference is primarily inequality in income, or the gap between the rich and the poor. Who are those who have addressed this in India? But I am still telling you, don't keep your eyes shut, because I am quite sure Congress as well as BJP have one agenda, which is to bridge the gap between the rich and poor and redistribute everybody's wealth. Your Teach India is not teaching India, it's called Steal from India. When it comes to the Jains and the diamond merchants, if you think about the Jains, you think about Buddhism, there are 4 stations of life. You're trying to screw around with my talk from the back of my throat with a device you have fitted in my body. Google, this is all you're worth. You people became billionaires on the back of what? Stealing. How do you even eat your meals? How do you even digest what you eat? The Snowden, when he wanted to talk about, and no country was willing to take him in. He wanted cover because he was calling out the White House for what? DC for what? Something connected with DC watching your every email on Google. But that wasn't the crux of the matter. The crux of the matter is everything that's showing itself here. It's got to do with your deep mind. Has Raga gone on record saying I can make Modi say whatever I want? You have been doing this with me, overwriting everything I say, scanning through the girl who comes to my house to clean. You have fitted something where you have connected her to something you have fitted in my body. She just needs to walk around me when I'm doing a purchase online, and you make her the purchaser of the product. Your values are that fucked, and you are going to lead. You call this leadership. I call it foolhardiness, because anybody who does that kind of crap, including the medics, MEDICS, to do this kind of crap on my hand. I'm only a pilot. You're going to do far worse with the crowds, worse than Hitler and worse than Stalin, in time to come. But what you don't realize is, you bloody bastards, 40% of bullshit, are the only fuckers who are going to be at the receiving end of your own bullshit. People like us, which is 60% of Earth's population, will never support you, spit on you, and you have lots of curses from people like us. Wherever and wherever you are born, destitution, deprivation, poverty of the highest kind is the only thing you are going to get. It is well earned by you. There is no leadership in you. There is just conning, CON, lies, lied, liar, that's it. Frankly, I don't know why the word murder isn't over here. I thought this was important to show. His body language is like, Raga's body language over here reminds me of my uncle called Subhash uncle. There are a couple of things over here which remind me of Mr. Subhash Gupta, who's my father's younger sister's husband. This is the same thing you have fitted in my body. How you overwrite whatever I say. Sometimes you twist my words. It's not acceptable. It's a very cowardly thing to do, actually telling you. And yes, it's an Naxal movement. It's not okay. I don't think it is appropriate for India. I was hoping for another video. I was looking for it where, Rahul Gandhi, I think he has many shapeshifters for him, but in that there is this threat. And it's not just to do with him. I think it has got to do very clearly the connection to the NDA, where Namo Namo Modi, Indian online broadband, which said they were an outfit, and talked about the Modi Ravalon, talked about the underworld of Dubai. Though Don is not at Dubai, he's supposed to be somewhere else, but he's not spelled properly. So he's DAWOOD, but here it is DAOU. But Don is definitely Don. So basically, they're just saying, yes, there is an underworld infusion of big stuff, and it is connected with the UAE, AU, EU, South Africa, South America, the USA. These are countries they would have infiltrated into, and in some places actually broken into, let's say, legal systems to change how the system works. Well, if they want to bring in communism into the world, they're not going to do it in your face, because nobody's going to accept it in today's democracy. So this is the way they've done. Silicone, not silicon, it's silicone, or Silicon. Silicon. But it's got to do with the cinema line. That silicon can do lots of stuff. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to close this over here because for now we have got this much to say. Illness, ILNES, mad illness. Insane. There's somebody who you have to be careful about, or loony. LUNI, loony, or LUNIE, or controlled by the moon a lot. My name is not here. I am Jaya Kanyalal Hakumatrai Advani. I don't know what we can see over here for me. We have the word Kane over here, CANE. I don't know, somebody is... I don't know if people were abducted before being cloned. And they were basically conned into going to a place where they were abducted. Over there they were cloned and caned. Getting them to a place was on the back of lies. I did see some bodies grouped together, dark skin, red color. And I was thinking it's Mediterranean. It's not Mediterranean, it's our Indian guys only. And in fact, just recently I saw an Ajay Devgan movie. He's got the same color on his ears. It's a brown skin, but it is red. And I saw some security people who were in their uniform, not like the security in buildings, but high-end security. Maybe, I don't know how you call them, XYZ security, not sure. So all their skin color and look like police also, heavy police is plain clothes looking into, because it was some person they were giving security to. So all their skin color was the same skin color that I saw 2 nights before. And what I see is they are filled with blood. They're all dead. And they've been paired together in groups of 3. And their blood has dried. Some part of the blood in their bodies dried to become black. And that flashed in front of me some 2-3 times, and I don't know why it happened, because I was drifting off to sleep and I didn't know how to understand it. I didn't recognize any of the men. All I saw is the skin color. And I said, that's strange, because this is brown, red skin. It must be Mediterranean people. But then I looked for it, and yesterday I got to know they're actually Indian guys. So if you look for my name is not here. Madder is also not here. Madden is here. MADEN. Yes, some of these people work as maids, dasi. That's how they enter into the house. Das means boy servant. Dasi means girl servant. At Indian homes or any homes. Maids are the domestic help. You as intelligence, you as society, you as government have been warned before only. That they were hired even if it was the labor class. Explained another angle of how these guys would have been recruited. A middle class person, upper middle class person, an industrialist, a rich professional does not fall for these shit tricks and sign up for such shit things. It's only people who have financial difficulty through generations, or then are overly ambitious and were born to a family that are poor, that are recruited. So don't pin it on people who come from good backgrounds and convert backgrounds because you can't handle your job, because you'll get into a lot of trouble in the future on the back of bad karma. That I'm giving you as an oath, no matter what you do. Putting smells on me, changing my smell, putting dirty smells on me, after you've downloaded the same shit fucking software on my phone, the same cheap tricks that you have done in 2019, don't bring that same shit back on me. Also in this house, I have basically bought my property papers when 11th of Miss Suman and Miss Deepa from Purvankara Builders. I have met you, Suman Sinha. I have met you before. I have spent one full afternoon with you before I've gone to get the demand drafts. I spent 1 hour at Kotak Bank, Lavelle Road, writing those forms for the demand drafts. It is me who's done all that. It is me who has eaten at airlines with sambar falling on my jeans and t-shirt. That same smell, I've spent 20 minutes back at Kotak Bank. They told me to wait a little till they are able to retrieve the demand drafts, which they did. Straight from there, we have driven to Shivaji Nagar registration. You have put the value of the property as 80,000 to my name on those registration papers against my face and photo. I have given you demand drafts for 96 lakhs, including about 4.5-5 lakhs as the stamp duty in my name. It is Miss Jaya Kanyala Ladvani that the stamp duty benchmark for whatever percentage you were taking on whatever the property value be, that is okay. So that is appropriate. But I've got those papers 10 days after your registration, which was not supposed to take more than, I'm not interested. It was not supposed to take more than 2-3 days. I was told tomorrow only you will get it. 1-2 days you will get it. Mine took 10 days. Possession was given still after that. The point is, in this gap, and I have gone to Bombay in August. I've signed these registration things on 11th of July 2019. 2019. And I've gone to Bombay in August 2019. What I'm trying to say is, after I have signed the registration papers, I have gone to Bombay because my mom had an autoimmune disease and she was put into Bhatia Hospital. So obviously I was staying actually in Bangalore, I was staying at Bonsai Stay. So I got a call and I said, okay, even though I'm really sick, I will still go to Bombay. It doesn't matter. I'll still go to Bombay and be there and visit her in the hospital, except that I also fell sick over there. Can't help it. This is not Varsha, this is Jaya. The guest name is Jaya Advani, Miss Jaya Advani, and I am that guest. I told you after selling number 4 Jaswell, you fuckers have been fucking around. I don't know why. You hoping to what? Fuck around with biometrics? You hoping to steal stuff that's not yours? What is the problem? I don't understand. You have called me lots of cheap names. What I don't understand is, here we've got like Make My Trip, where I have booked this for, and then here it is from booking.com. I would have kept changing my rooms because these people make a lot of noise. 401 I've stayed at and 408 I have stayed at. I've gone there apparently sometime in August, September. Second of September to the 19th of September. And I would have changed my room at least 3 or 4 times. Either the AC is not working or, it's just very noisy. Actually, now we've come to a conclusion. It's a software that is downloaded on my phone, which does all the talk in my ears. I mean, it does lots of irritating stuff in my ears. So this is, I think, entire bill. Now, this is where we have been in between. 2nd of September 2019 till 14th of September 2019. When have we gotten out of there? 21 of September 2019 is what it says. This is on the 19th and this is on the 19th. Yet somewhere it is the 21st. I think this was the food invoice or the extras, the last minute extras that were required to be paid for. I could have extended my stay 1-2 days. Anyway, what am I trying to do over here? Am I trying to show you these freaking bills? No, I'm not trying to show you these bills. I'm not interested in showing you these bills. But what I'm trying to tell you, is well, I have not signed for it. Why should I sign for it? He signed, no? The cashier signed, that's good enough. What I'm trying to say is on the 11th of July, I have done what? I have registered my property papers at the Shivaji Nagar registration office at Bangalore, and the builder's representative was over there. During the daytime, I have spent half a day at the builder's office with the builder's representatives in sales, marketing, registration, whatever the hell it is. Then I've gone to Kotak Bank, spent 1 hour filling in forms, then gone to airlines for the dosa and the coffee or the tea. I don't have coffee, I have tea. Somebody has rolled his car back on purpose. They're 3 young boys or 4 young boys, and all the sambar's fallen on me. Then with all that sambar on my clothes, I have gone back to Kotak Bank because there's no time left. There's no time left. So I don't have much of a choice. I have to go and finish the registration. There's not more than like about one hour left in the process. It will take about half an hour, 45 minutes to reach the registration office. And it's an appointment which has to be kept. So I don't even change. I wait because they tell me wait for about 10-15 minutes. The demand drafts are still being prepared. I find it strange because they're very professional. Whatever I've dealt with them in Bombay, they're really good. Anyway, today in retrospect, I'm happy I was sitting in Lavelle Road branch waiting for those demand drafts to be given. The demand drafts were given. It takes from Lavelle Road to Shivaji Nagar registration office. It takes how much time? It took us about half an hour, I think, to reach, or 20 minutes to reach, all the way through the traffic at MG Road. We do the registration and leave. When we have spoken to Purvankara office, he says what? She says what? What does this bunch say? They say, no, you'll get your papers after like 1-2 days and you'll get your possession also within 10 days. But it takes longer than normal. I'm still staying at Bonsai Stay when I have left for Bombay because of my mom ending up in Bhatia Hospital for autoimmune. Now it is September and I have come back to Bangalore probably around the 21st or 22nd of September, because there's one bill which is talking about this all the way to the 21st and talking about 19 nights, not 17 nights. So obviously I have extended my stay, which I do. I have moved into this house when I have moved into this apartment finally in on 3rd of November 2019, and on the same day I have gone to pick up my Quid car, which I have already sold. And luckily I have sold it to someone who was working in Kotak Bank itself. So I took delivery of my Quid car, which was specially designed for me with some whatever. Instead of purchasing through Waterbait at a lesser cost the normal 2 BHK apartment, I chose a corner apartment after changing the apartments twice, and this was the third choice. So finally I settled down the third time in the apartment that I have chosen. I moved over here only on the 3rd of November 2019. Yet I've had a deep state dream in which I am mistaking the daughter-in-law of one of actually the Advani family, Gupta family, with being corrected by a crow from the window over there, the same window, in this very same room. And there is a cousin of mine in the dream who has picked up this tile as big as this, or a stone as big as what is the tile on the floor, to throw it behind me, upon me, to kill me. And I was very dejected when I got up from my sleep, and this is the second time I was feeling not very happy. Otherwise I don't get affected by my deep state dreams. When I saw the crow at that window, I didn't understand that crow was actually someone's spirit, indicating that what I'm seeing outside in the living room, directing 2 girls, treating them like they work in my home as staff who are supposed to do the work of my home. But they're not listening to me, they're doing their own thing. They're very, very badly behaved for staff. Very disrespectful, and on a trip of their own to do their own stuff, like they know better, and doing all the wrong things. But when the crow is shown on that window, and again having a look at the 2 girls, one girl turns out to be actually the daughter-in-law of the house. So there's great embarrassment about the misunderstanding of who she is. Almost immediately, the husband of that girl picks up a stone or a tile as big as this on the floor, lifts it to hit it on my back, and I'm standing where? At a place outside this bathroom, somewhere over here, and he's behind me on the inside of the home. And that's where the dream ends. Now if I have to match that with something that happened behind my back which I'm not aware of, I was one of the first few people to move into this complex. Not many people had moved in on the 3rd of November 2019. It was still relatively empty. There were still some things that they had to do. I think the pool work was still going on. But if I have to tell you about what I saw on this door, and then what I saw in my temple outside, in that, like how the har means garland, the girl on a shenai. So she's expecting to get married actually to somebody. I thought I'll go look for the photo that I had taken at that time. I have stored it on my other laptop. So that's like the long view. Does that look like somebody's face screaming? And one part of the skull cracked. Nose in the middle, eyes on the side, mouth wide open, screaming. This reminds me of my sister in a way. This photo. This was on this door. At the same time, in the temple outside that I have shown you, where the plants are, in the balcony near the living room, I had this baby showing herself, and I call that the Chennai. This also reminds me, the energy reminds me of Varsha, my sister. That is Shirdi Sai Baba on the back. Well, you keep doing mad, madder, madder, madder. My sister was never mad, madder. My sister's name is Indu. Her chatti name is Indu. So don't mix it up. You've had lots of clones taking the place of lots of people. And that's why you've been fucking up every family. Sending, I don't even want to get into it. May God teach you a lesson you will never ever forget. Okay, so this is the baby, and actually this is only a har which was put on some god. Okay, this is just a har actually, but in that har this representation showed itself at the same time as what was shown on my door. If you want to see my sister who is Indu, then this is Indu as a baby. She's been given the name Indu. Here, this is Indu. She's Varsha, or Mrs. Shalina Hundalani is what she's supposed to be. But somebody got murdered. Anyway, I've decided to close this session at this point. This internet of mine gets taken to Kolar. I don't understand why the Advani surname goes to a place like Kolar. I don't stay in Kolar. I don't know where Kolar is. This is Bangalore 560077. I am Miss Jaya Kanyalal Hukumatrai Advani. Why all the mess up? Why is there somebody who seems to be Naxal Paxal, God only knows what, militant mouse, bloody rubbish? I'm not connected with all that shit. So don't take my identity somewhere else. I'm out and out an Advani, and that's about it. And I don't think we're Naxalites. I don't have time for that shit. I'm just Jaya Kanyalal Hukumatrai Advani. Hope you understood. Okay, and I don't appreciate being misrepresented. So I will close the session over here. I think that's more than enough for today. If there's anything I have missed, if you've understood where the drift of this read most unexpected has gone, my private life comes into the play because the external environment is confused. And confused by clones, and somehow there seems to be some connect with the cinema line, or then with some people who are pro Maoism, Maoist behavior, or the Naxal stuff, or the Naxals have got into the film industry or the cinema line, or they've got friends working over there. They have taken the help of what cinema line uses for voice change, face change, beauty treatments, beauty rehauling of the entire body. I don't know. But it becomes the work of the CIA and the CID from an Indian handshake with probably those abroad to sort this out, because I think our Indian politics and political parties actually is under a very messy leadership. Whoever comes in, if there is a clone who is not democratic, he's only pretending to be, then the country has had it, because there's plenty of money that's already been siphoned off, is what my downloads for the last 7-8 years has been, for no rhyme of reason. And it has been seconded by my Scrabble throws, which I started only in 2020. That also on the insistence of Shirdi Sai Baba. Now that he said, no, don't ask me any more questions, draw Krishna's photos, which I've started. Satya Sai Baba actually had come and given me direction to start with Krishna's photos and to do Lakshmi Mata's photos, or to draw things that are connected with I'm the one who's done all the paintings. My name is Jaya Kanayalal Hukumatrai Advani. Again, you have probably taken things from where, I don't know. It doesn't matter. But anyway, we did this a little while ago. It's just a start of the sketch. But this is the time when Satya Sai Baba had told me. What had he told me? He had told me I had asked him about the yuga changing. He talked about the seeds that have been planted and said, make your own, decipher it yourself. Shirdi Sai Baba then in the Sai Saturitra 2, 3, 4, 5 sessions reprimanded, no questions now to be asked. And you need to concentrate now, spend time on spirituality. And I'm getting that they will do their work, okay. And it is Satya Sai Baba who directed me during that time, whatever that interaction was. It was Satya Sai Baba who told me, it is Satya Sai Baba who told me to do Lakshmi Mata and Krishna's photo drawing. So what I did is, initially I spent some time just taking out a couple of photos as practice session, which I will do some sketching just to get used to sketching, because I haven't sketched with my ill health. I stopped sketching and painting and doing oil paints and acrylic paints and gouache paints. I stopped it in 2017 because I was getting out of breath in 3 minutes. And all of it has got to do with what you have fitted in my body. It's not a natural phenomenon. So how have you helped my life? I don't know. But you've taken things based on an MOU for free. That's not who I am. I belong to a business family. My grandfather was a zamindar who sold many acres, many hundreds of acres of land before he came to India, before partition, 3-4 years prior to it. He still has family on that side of the border. And I don't know what they do as of now, but they're still there. Okay, so let's not confuse the bloody fucking issue. Okay, so I'm going to close this session. I don't know. I'm not going to open this. I'm just going to leave it. I think the best way to leave it is probably on this. So I'm going to leave it over here. Right? It's probably the best place to leave the session at. I'm not serving and I am sitting, and don't speak in Sindhi and say survey. Ask the grandpop who gave birth to you to do the serving. Don't come to me talking shit. Okay? And don't play with my temper. We've tolerated too much bloody shit for no rhyme of reason. So anyway, say goodbye to my gods, goddesses. This is the mouse at which the cheese fell on its own. So I know he's going So we're going to close this over here. I can't help it, we've grown up all this. At this age, this is not dance drama, mister. She's only about how old, God only knows. Must be 4-5 years old. She's only 4-5 years old. This is the same place I told you where I was in the play Krishna. The rest of them are all dressed up for a play only. तो no stories, no line. जो भी है सच्चाई से बोल रहे हैं. तुमने कुछ घटियापन मेरे पीछे दरवाजे से गंदे लोग मेरे घर भेजे हैं, मर्डर किया है, स्टीलिंग किया है, कन्फ्यूजन किया है, वो मेरा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. We've been brought up in a very straightforward manner. I also told you I don't really skew so much when it is religion and all. I have one theory, it is keep it straight, talk the truth, be straightforward. उससे बड़ा religion कुछ है ही नहीं. किसको पसंद आवे ना आवे, it doesn't matter. जो है सो है, leave it at that. Okay, that's my religion.